Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. This is episode 4, the final episode for Home Chef. If you guys watched the previous episode, you know that I was having problems with the delivery regarding the serving size, so I just canceled my subscription. So we're gonna do the last meal. This one is a 15-minute meal kit. It's not low calorie, so I'm not gonna be eating this dinner, but I will taste it for you guys. Now I have the oven already preheating, or the broiler's on set to low because we're gonna be broiling these babies. And let's get into the unboxing. So we've got the thin sliced pork, which is the only thing we're gonna be cooking, and then, besides baking. And then in the bags, the same ingredients for both bags. We've got Stonefire mini naan breads. There's 4. This is Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, 1 tomato, and some pesto sauce. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the pork, pat it dry, season it with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna cook it on medium-high heat with a drizzle of oil until it's nice and brown. So these are really thin slices of pork. Check it out. We're gonna wash these. And just pat it dry. The usual routine with meat. It looks like a lot, but it's not. It's on the little sprinkle setting, so it's not really coming out that much. While this is cooking, I'm gonna wash my cutting board, wash the tomatoes, and start slicing those up for the little pizzas. I guess it's time to sharpen these, huh? I love tomato. It's so refreshing, juicy, sweet. Throw some lemon and salt on there. Oh man, super good. They smell really good, like a bakery shop. That's what they remind me of. When you walk into a bakery shop and just filled with scent of bread. It's good stuff. My mic was off this whole time. I'm so sorry about the audio. Okay, well, oh well. That's actually really good. It's a little zesty, tangy from the pesto sauce, but I like the way the pesto pairs with the Parmesan cheese. It tastes really good. It's not like your average pizza, but it's not really missing the marinara sauce. It's fine without it. The pork is nice and tender. The bread is not too crunchy. It's not flat. It's real fluffy. It's very tasty. This is a really good little pizza. I like this one. It's too bad. I was looking forward to more oven readies and 15-minute meal kits, but oh well. Well, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. The next episode that we're going to be doing is episode 1, and I'm going to be testing Blue Apron, which I'm super duper excited about, but it's not low calorie, so it's not something that I'm going to partake in, but I am going to be tasting just like this for you guys on camera, just so I can give my opinion and my rating and see how it goes. And I mean, I don't know. I'm looking forward to it. I hope it's a good experience, not like this one. HelloFresh was a lot of fun. It was a good experience. This one was not. And then hopefully Blue Apron is. And then after that, I have no idea. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Make sure to stay tuned, and y'all have a good night. Toodaloo.